guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to record your PC screen for YouTube videos or any other kind of video you want to make. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is look up OBS Studio. Then you want to go to this, Open Broadcaster Software, and then you pick whichever one that you have. I have Windows. So I'll do this, and then you wait for it to download, which mine goes fast, so it should be done in 1 second. And it's finished now, so I just click on it, allow it to make changes to my device, next, and install. You can pick your destination folder to wherever you want it to go. I'm fine with this, but if you want to change it, you can just change that, and I'll install. Okay, after that's done, just press finish. And there it is. You'll see on the bottom there, OBS Studio. So now that this is open, I'll show you all the quirks and features of this. Alright, time for the tutorial. So first thing you want to do, in files, I'll show you everything up here first. Here you can show your recordings, all your previous recordings that you've made in the past. And then the other notable thing is settings here, which I will show you later on after I finish all of these. So then when you go to edit, you can copy filters, you can transform your video, you can scale and preview the video, and you can change the audio properties, which audio quality, which I will get into later. In profile, you can create a new profile. I've always just stuck with one profile. You don't really need two, but if you want to, you can make another one. I always use one scene. I'm not sure what doing another scene means, but if you can try it out. Tools, you can go auto configuration wizard, and I'll do this just to demonstrate. Here you can optimize what you want it for. If you're a streamer, go for streaming. If you record videos, just go for recording. I will not be streaming. I'll press next. Then you can choose your resolution you record your videos in. You cannot choose a resolution higher than your videos. So like if your screen is 1440p, if your monitor is 1440p, you cannot choose a resolution higher than that. I can choose 1080 or 720p, but I'll choose the highest resolution that I can go with. Then you can choose your FPS. I always do 60, but you can do 30 or one of these. I do 60 because I know my computer can handle it, but if you're not sure, then you could choose one of these. Yeah, but let's get to the next one. 60, next. And this shows you what you will have. So the program has determined that these estimates are the most ideal for you. This shows what they think is the best for you. So I have high quality medium file size 1440p and 60 FPS. So here I will apply settings, and yeah, that's it. So now here I'm going to go sources now. So sources are really important. So to add a source, you just press this plus button, and then you'll see a whole bunch of options here. So what I'm going to do is display capture, because what you want to do is record your screen. So if what you're looking to do is record your screen, you go to display capture. And you can just name it whatever you want. I'm creating a new one, and I'll just press OK. And look, you just press OK. And look, now you have a screen recorder. And other things. If you want to add audio, like if you're going to be talking over your videos like I am, you can add audio input and output. These are both very essential, so I will just add them very quick. You can too if you are going to be talking in your videos, or you can put text, which you can use from right here if you don't feel like talking. Just add output too. Alright, good. So now what you can do after that is go to settings, which is probably the most important one. You can choose your language, your theme, which doesn't really matter. All of these are pretty much self-explanatory right here. So I'll go to stream. Here you can connect your accounts from YouTube to Twitch to Facebook, Twitter. You can connect all of them if you want. Yeah, so if you want to have a better experience and you're really a streamer, then you can connect your account from here. Next thing you can go to is output, and here you will see your video bitrate, audio bitrate first. And this is kind of the quality of your voice and the audio in your video. You can up this, but it might make this weird echo, which I've gotten to. So be careful and check it over before you make a video with this, because if you go too high, it can make this really weird echo. Here you can choose your recording path, which is the file that your videos will go to. I just have mine in videos, my videos file, because that's where I want my videos to go to. Next thing is recording quality. So here you can choose your quality of your videos. High quality is good. Lossless quality I would not recommend. That takes hours to render. It takes a long time. I don't do indistinguishable either. I just stick with high quality because I don't feel like waiting a long time for my videos to process. On recording format, I would just keep it as MKV, but obviously, depending on whether you're making a picture or a video, or pretty much you can choose any of these. Next thing, audio. So here, this kind of connects to the last thing we talked about, your sample rate. This will change the quality of your audio. I have mine at 48, but really depending on what you're recording on, like your headset or your microphone, it'll vary what you can choose here. I have 48. You can choose your channels. I'm using stereo just to stick with what I have. However, you can change like 7.1 surround sound, 5.1 normal volume. It's really your choice here. The next thing that we should talk about is probably base canvas resolution and output scale resolution. So what the base canvas is what shows up right here. So like when you record your videos, is it going to be in 1440p, 1080p? Well, you can choose right here, base canvas. Output is when you record your videos and you post them, what resolution will it be in? So like, yeah, your screen is 1440p, but it will only show up as 1080p and not higher. I would recommend just putting it as your resolution. Unless your PC can't handle it, then I wouldn't do it, but other than that, I would probably recommend just putting it as your resolution. There's no real reason to downscale it, unless your PC like really cannot handle it. It's not that big of a deal though. And then you have your FPS here, which is what you record your videos in. Again, this is all about what your PC can handle. Mine can handle 60, so I just choose 60. But if you want to do 30, you can choose 30, and so on and so forth. All of this is pretty much self-explanatory. The rest of this, you can change your process priority, color formats, all of that stuff if you want to. I would not change my process priority normally because then sometimes it discards other stuff that may be important, so I wouldn't make it like high. That's that for now. And then, did I cover everything? Oh yes, you can go into studio mode, but this is really only helpful if you have many different scenes and your transitions, but that's only if you're using this as like your video editor too, which I already have a video editor, so I don't use this, but yeah. So that was my tutorial on OBS Studio, how to record your videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.